Now let's slow down for a moment. Take a deep breath, because what I'm about to explain will completely change how you think about English. Most people believe English is hard. They believe you must study grammar for years. They believe you need a teacher. They believe you must memorize long word lists. That belief is the real problem. Let me ask you something honestly. How did you learn your first language? Did you start with grammar rules? Did someone teach you past perfect tense when you were a child? Of course not. You learned by listening, by repeating, by using simple words every single day. And English works exactly the same way. Here is the truth many people never tell you. English is not built on grammar first. English is built on core words. These 521 words are not random. They are the most used, most powerful, most flexible words in daily English. With these words, you can ask questions, express feelings, talk about your day, explain ideas, communicate clearly. Let me show you how this works. Think about this simple sentence. I want food. Very easy, right? Now watch how one word changes everything. I want food. I want help. I want time. I want peace. Same structure, same simple words, different meaning. No grammar pressure, no confusion. This is how English really works. Most daily conversations use the same patterns again and again. For example, I need, I have, I don't understand, I'm trying to, I'm looking for. These are daily life sentences. They are built using very few words. Let's practice mentally together. I need help. I need time. I need money. I need practice. You see? One structure, many meanings. This is why people fail. They try to learn English like a school subject instead of learning it like a life skill. They focus on rules before meaning. They focus on perfection before communication. But fluent speakers don't think about grammar when they speak. They think about ideas, and grammar follows naturally. Now let me give you a powerful rule. If you can understand, you can speak. Speaking is not magic. Speaking is output from understanding. That's why listening is more important than reading grammar books. When you listen to simple English daily, your brain starts copying patterns automatically. That is smart practice. Now let's talk about confidence. Most people know words, but fear stops them from speaking. Why? Because they think, what if I make a mistake? Let me be very clear. Mistakes are not your enemy. Silence is. Every fluent speaker you admire today made thousands of mistakes before speaking well. The difference is they didn't stop. Now let's do something practical. Imagine you only know these words. I, you, want, need, go, come, like, don't. Understand. With just these words, you can say, I want to go. I don't understand. I like this. I need help. That is communication. Fluency is not about big words. Fluency is about clear meaning. This is why 521 words are enough, because these words repeat every day, connect easily, work in many situations. Long words are optional. Clear words are powerful. Now here's how you should practice. Step 1. Listen to simple English every day. Not fast, not complicated, simple. Step 2. Repeat sentences out loud, even if you're alone. Step 3. Use English in your daily life. Talk to yourself. Describe your actions. For example, I'm cooking. I'm going out. I'm tired today. This trains your brain naturally. No teacher needed, no grammar stress, No long time, just consistency. If you do this daily, your English will grow without you noticing. One day you'll realize, I'm speaking without thinking. That is fluency. Before we continue, if you want to truly improve your English speaking, don't forget to subscribe to Clear Voice Podcast. Join us and let's raise our English speaking level together. Your voice matters and your journey starts here. Now remember this final idea. English is not something you learn once. It's something you live. Use simple words, speak without fear, practice smart, not hard, and slowly, your fear of English will disappear. Before we end this video, let me remind you of one important thing. You don't need to be perfect to speak English. You just need to start. Today, you learned that English is not about big grammar rules, not about long word lists, and not about pressure. It's about simple words, clear thinking, and daily practice. If this video helped you, even a little, if it changed the way you think about English, then you are already on the right path, and this is just the beginning. I promise you this, we will continue making videos like this, simple, clear, practical, and beautiful. Videos that help you speak English with confidence in real life. So don't go quietly. Leave a comment below and tell us, how did this video make you feel? What part helped you the most? Your comment helps us grow, and it helps others who are afraid to start. And if you want to improve your English speaking step by step, don't forget to subscribe and join the Clear Voice Podcast. Be part of this journey. Be part of this community. Your voice is important. Your English can improve. And we are here to grow together. See you in the next video.